Hello, Crafties. Today is September the 7th, Sunday, September the 7th, and I'm on my way to another campout where I'm headed to Hat Creek. Actually, I'm headed to Hat Creek Campground, which is closer to Old Station, California. We had 7 ladies that were going to go on this trip. Well, at least 3 of them have canceled. There's supposed to be a little rain, and they're afraid of the rain. So 3 of us for sure, and possibility of a 4th. I haven't heard back from her yet, so we'll see what happens. Right now I am staying at Rolling Hills Casino in Corning. It's about 84 degrees. They have pull-through sites and full hookups. It was $58 a night plus tax. Let me show you where I am.
Hat Creek air is sweet and clear. Sunrise on the rigs, so near. Coffee brewing, story start. Golden light touches every heart. Adventures calling, don't you know? Lasson's peaks begin to glow. Hat Creek girls, wild and free by Bernie Falls. That's where we'll be.
Rolling Hills RV Park. The phone numbers. There is a shuttle service that'll pick me up at my site and take me into the casino. I'll probably do that. It is $58.30 per night with a Good Sam. Otherwise $64.90 per night. There's the casino over that way. I'm in site number 4. I'm putting water into my tank because I didn't put it in when I was at home, and then I'm going to hook up to water. All these sites are pretty long. They've got some big rigs in here with no problem. I didn't bring my car this time because Terry's bringing her car. So I have electric and water and sewer, and I'm just now putting in water in my tank. I've hooked up the electric. Everything's working. I got the air conditioning on inside, and I'm waiting for the tank to fill. You can see across the way there's a big fifth wheel over there. There is a large motorhome over there and fifth wheel over there. There's quite a few sites left. Of course, this is Sunday, so there are many sites available right now. Let me get my water in. I left Snickers at home with his dad, Ernie, because I knew or thought this was going to be a hotter trip. It's 84 here, but it's going to be cooler up in the mountains. Hat Creek Campground is part of Lassen National Forest, and it's a National Forest campground, and it is between the cutoffs of Bernie Falls and Lassen. So my lady glampers that come, we're going to go to both of those parks during the week. I took the shuttle into the casino and went to the Rock and Brew restaurant. They have their own brewery and brew their own beer. It's very colorful in there. Lots of decorations about rock and roll, and it is quite noisy. Have an extensive menu of salads, Mexican food, as well as the usual burgers, fries, and sandwiches, and they have a little robot that delivers the food from the kitchen. Spicy watermelon margarita. Here comes the little robot guy delivering food from the kitchen to the bar. And watch as he maneuvers around a person. Oh, look, he's confused. The person is in his way. But he's not supposed to deliver there. The waitress then helps push him towards the area where he's to deliver, and now he's taking the tray back to the kitchen to gather more food. Isn't that funny? My food was delivered by a human person, a nice lady. You can see I had my crunchy shrimp tacos and my drink, and it was delicious. Really good. Cheers. Around the rim with salt with cayenne. Really spicy, but very good. They actually have two robots. This, I would say, is a busing robot. The waitresses load the baskets on the robot, and then it's sent back to the kitchen to have the dishes done. Here she is loading the robot and sending it back to the kitchen. These guys are fun to watch. This is good entertainment. I guess he's now standing over in his spot, waiting to be reloaded. And here comes the delivery robot, bringing food back to the bar. And it's time for dessert. This is their version of carrot cake. Carrot cake with carrots and cream and ice cream on the top. It was delicious. I went into the casino at about 5 o'clock. They have a shuttle service. All you have to do is give them a call and tell them about what time you want to go to the casino, and they pick you up. He was right here on time. You're probably hearing my air conditioning going on because it's about 85 degrees, and it's almost 7 o'clock now that I've returned from the casino. While I was there, I ate at the Rock and Brew restaurant. It looked like a fun place. The food was very good. I had fish tacos. I also had a drink. It was a spicy watermelon margarita. That was tasty, and it had some spice to it. They had salt and cayenne pepper around the edge, but it was very good, and the tacos were delicious. A fun thing that happened at the restaurant, they have little service robots. They're very cute. They come into the restaurant dining area playing classical music, and they deliver things to the bar. And then the waitress takes the food from them and takes it to the people. It's very fun because the robots are very polite, and they'll say, "I'm here, and please, and thank you, and I'm returning. I'll go back now." There was even one robot that was a table bus robot. They had bins on it. They filled up with the dishes from the tables, and then it went back to the kitchen when it was all full. First time I'd seen those little robots. They were very cute. Well, I'm going to turn in tonight. I do have good Wi-Fi here. I might be able to stream something. And there is a TV channels here. And then when I wanted to come back, I went to the front door and asked about the shuttle. And within minutes, there was a shuttle there waiting for me to take back to my spot. It was very good. I did play a little bit. Didn't win anything. I only lost $40. I'm not a big gambler, but I played a little bit. I got a player's card, which didn't really do me much good either. but at least I have it. This casino is on the way to Northern California when I go up to Lassen or Siskiyou or some places like that. So I'll probably stop here again. Okay. If you like this little video, give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. And I want to thank my members, Rita, Sherry, and Desert Adventures, and Sally Forth for supporting my channel. And you can join my channel too. All right. Thanks so much for watching.